All right, everyone. How's it going? How's it going, guys? How is it going this morning? How you doing, guys? Welcome to the live show. And to get started, how many of us took this Tomo trade yesterday? Many of us were in the money with this Tomo trade yesterday. Okay, this actually played out exactly the way we projected that. Okay, so yeah, Tomo actually got up to that $1.61, right, at exactly our entry, and then immediately you know, um, gave us that 4%. 4.43% in profit. So if you have used the 10x leverage, that would have been over you know, um, 40%, right? Yeah, 40% and all of that. So yes, if you took the trade, though some trades yesterday actually hit stop losses and all of that, but yeah, if you took a trade yesterday, that would have, giving you some profit and all of that. So good morning, everyone. Prince Vincent, I can see you around. Okay. So yeah, let's start with the tokens you've listed on the chart here. So Tomo, yeah, Tomo is still going well. If you have followed up the trade, and then you take a trade to the opposite direction, yeah, this would have equally given you some profit and all of that. But okay, we'll pay attention. Okay, keep an eye on this. Let's see if we come back up to this level again, then we can take another trade to the downside. Okay, until we finally break above this resistance level, above anything above $1.70 and all of that, we'll be looking to take a trade to the upside. All right. So if you took that trade, congrats. I needed you to share your P&Ls with me on the Telegram. Okay. Yeah, I was asking of that yesterday. So you can go ahead and do that right now if you took that trade. Okay. So yes, let's go to this new token, which is the SEI USDT. So let's see what's currently up with that trade this morning. Yeah, guys. Okay, let me check by bid and see what's up with this. So SEI. Okay, we have 20 million turnover in that trade. Yeah, 20 million turnover in that trade for the past 24 hours. And right now we are down there, guys. We are down there, guys. So anything can happen from here. So if you want to pick a trade here, all right, if you want to pick a trade here, normally what I do with this kind of trade is I can go ahead and pick a trade, guys. I will pick a trade in this with a very low leverage to make sure that my liquidation is actually very far, all right, very far. Even if I have to put stop loss like minus 50% and all of that, I'll know that, except if BTC just decide to go down to 20,000, okay? Yeah, so if I put, a stop loss at around minus 10%, minus whatever it is, okay, I'll be able to stay in this trade until when it finally picks up. But right now, we are at the bottom right now, okay? We are at the bottom right now, so be expecting this token to wake up from any moment from now, guys. Any moment from now, this should be able to, resurrect from this slumber. Yeah, so if we get down to that 14-cent level again, Vincent, I'll be looking to take a long trade from that area with a low leverage, maybe like a 5, a 3, or a 4x leverage, okay? And the essence of that is to allow me to stay in the market for long, okay? To allow me to stay in the market for long. So even if I put my stop loss down there, I'll be targeting somewhere, up there, all right? In case, because there's a lot of turnover in this trade, it means that whether we like it or not, okay, somehow this will actually be waking up very soon. All right. And that is happening with one token we once looked at, right? BNT and all of that. So yeah. So be paying attention to this token, okay? Be paying attention to this token. So if we get down to that level, we'll be looking to pick a trade to the upside. And then you can target this area here, target this area here, or first, okay, your first take profit should be this high here, and then gradually you take profit until we get up to that level. So yeah, if you're paying attention to this token, do, because I see it going up a bit. Yeah, I see it going up somehow. All right, I see it going up. Okay, yes, smash that like button, guys. Smash that like button, and if you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe. Okay, support us by subscribing to the channel. And my goal, all right, my subscriber goal right now is to hit 50K. So can you help me achieve that goal, guys? Help me achieve that goal, okay? All right, so once we hit 50K, then the live stream will actually improve, and then we do a lot, okay, to make sure that we carry everybody along. We have to do in the morning, do in the afternoon, do in the night, and all of that, okay? So yeah, let's get it to that goal, guys. Okay, smash that like button, because the more likes I get, okay, the more YouTube keep recommending this to as many persons that will help us actually achieve that goal. All right, guys. So let's go to the next token, SPF. How many of us followed up that token yesterday? SPF. Yeah, actually, it actually had its own jump as well. So I don't know if it has started. Yeah, so look at that. Okay, look at that. If you have taken a trade somewhere here, though we were targeting down here, but it didn't go down to that level. And guys, this thing actually rejected. Okay, it rejected from this. If you have followed up with this trade, so it actually rejected from this 786 level. Okay, the Fibonacci retracement tool we're looking at, right? So though during the afternoon section, when this candle was why I said we should move our entering down to this level, but we didn't get down to that level. Guys, the 786 level, the 618 level are always the golden level. All right. We may have this slight push to the downside, but these are always the golden level. So you see that after having this like doji candle right here, okay, with this long, look at this doji candle. That is a sign, okay? That is a sign. This is on the 1 hour time frame. That is a sign that, then follow with this big, bullish candle here. That is a sign that this was going up. So you would have taken this trade and then, make some profit from it. All right. Forgetting the fact that, remember, in the afternoon was when I shifted this year, but in the morning we we're looking at it, actually having a U-turn from here to the upside. So if you have taken a trade here, that would have hit your target, and that is, if I check this movement right now, okay, let's say you enter that trade from here and then you take profit somewhere there. That's over 14% move, guys. 140% move with a 10x leverage. All right. That's whoosh. That's whoosh. That's whoosh, guys. Okay. That's whoosh. So yeah, guys, always respect these levels. All right. Always respect. These are the science behind, technical analysis and all of that. The tools are there for you to use. So yeah, the 786 level actually is where we had that rejection from. And then guys, take profit was hit up there. So I don't know how many of us, Vincent, did you take this trade? How many of us who took this trade? Okay. I don't know, but yeah, that actually played out. All right. It actually played out. Okay, so we're looking for a rejection, which has already started happening. Okay, a rejection at the support, at the resistance level here, at that 50 cent level. So which has already started happening. So right now, if you have not entered a trade yet, there is no need to rush into it. Okay, just wait for it to play back. Let's see if we get back up to that level again, then we can take a trade to the downside, guys. Okay, so this is why I always emphasize that the fact that we look at all of the token, just pick one token, okay, and pay attention to that token. All right, it may take you days before you get a good entry. It may take you, a week or more before you get a good entry. It may take you hours before you get a good entry. But just know that once you get that good entry, guys, it is sure banker. All right. Once you get that good entry, okay, it is a good trade for you. So yeah, basically those are some of the strategy that I don't want to start picking trades randomly, because picking trade randomly has actually shown me PEPE. All right. So yes, so I don't want to be doing that any longer. So guys, stick to one particular or two or three trade and take it further from there and all of that. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Franklin, Tony. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for always being around. So let's look at Solana. Yeah, for this, we'll keep paying attention to this, okay? So currently I'm looking at this area. RSI is up there, but we are not at the overbought level yet. So I'm looking to get this rejection from here. Okay, so we're looking to get a trade from here, maybe to the downside this time around. All right, and we'll just target somewhere around there. Okay, so let's see how this plays out. All right, but we'll pay attention to this and see how this plays out. If you get back there, get up there, okay, we'll take a trade, but be mindful that there could be a break to the upside and all of that. But I still feel that this will come and reject here, and then we'll take a trade to the downside. Okay. So for Sol USDT, let's look at that and see what's up with that particular trade. All right, Solana right now, guys, we are down here. I think the way BTC has been going up and down is what is actually affecting this. So I was looking if Solana would have actually come to the 200-day moving average and reject from there, but we didn't get up to that level, so we only went halfway and then rejected. So currently these are the levels we are looking at right now. So for Sol, pay attention to this level down there. All right. Yeah, so if we get down to this area again, maybe we'll take a long from this area down here at that $20 $20.5. Okay. So at that $20.5, you should be looking to, take a long trade and all of that. But if you go to lower time frame, you can be looking for a quick scalp right here. All right. Currently, we are in the middle or between this level here, so I wouldn't do anything. Either we get back here and I see a sign of rejection, then I can take a trade down, or we come back here, I will take a trade from 20.5, 20.6. I will looking to take a trade to the long side. Okay, so for Solana, my long entry will be around this area. So let's see if that will play out. Okay, my long entry will be around that area. I'll be looking for the token to get down to that area down there. If it does, then I'll be taking a trade to the upside. If not, if we break above this level here, I will start looking for a long trade from there to the upside. All right. So Tony, that is exactly what I'll be looking at for Solana. All right. So yeah, let's look at the favorite token of Franklin. So at that USDT. Yeah. What were we looking at yesterday? Yesterday we were looking, okay, yeah, I'm still looking at that area down there, guys. How come I got this here? What exactly did I do there? Was it, did I use a Fibonacci retracement tool or what? Okay, I don't know how I got down to this level, but, let's see. Let me take all of this out and see what's up with this, okay? Yeah, so we still have that resistance level up there. What exactly did I do here? How did I got into that level, okay? Okay, so for this, all right, basically we should be looking at entries from here, guys. Okay, so we can use there aside the weeks, all right. We can just ignore the week and look at this area here as our, yeah. If you ignore the week, we're already at that level, but let's put it at the bottom of this, okay? Let's look at this area as our support level. This is on the daily time frame, so I believe that this will hold, all right? This will hold, except BTC breaks below. This will hold. I believe that this will hold, okay? So where you should be looking for entries to the upside will be this zone right here, all right? This zone right here will be where you should be looking for entry to the upside for the Cardano trade, okay? Bring your stop loss slightly below. So you should be looking at picking a trade up from here to the upside, okay? Pick a trade from here to the upside, guys. That's my entry, okay, at around 25 cents. Okay, around 25 cents for Cardano. I should be looking at picking a trade to the upside. And then the next token there will be Litecoin. So let's look at Litecoin. Yeah, I think we had a new entry yesterday during the afternoon, but unfortunately, that trade has not triggered yet. Okay, unfortunately, it hasn't triggered yet. Okay, yes, it did. It did actually. It did. So yeah, this is where we're looking at during the afternoon section, and then this came down to this level. Okay. So that trigger at that 64.7 actually worked. All right. So this picked the trade here, and currently we are back to that level. So if you want to take a profit here, you can do that again. All right. But right now, because of the way BTC is acting up and all of that, so I still see this. Okay. I still see this coming down to this level and then pushing it back up again. All right. I still see this coming down to this level and pushing it back up again. So what you can basically do right now, okay, is either you zero your mind, open a trade with a very low leverage and target it up there, or you can take advantage of the quick scalp, all right, the quick up and down here. Just scalp this trade as as often as you can. So when it comes back down there, you peak, all right, and then target the previous high there, which is this level right here. All right, anything at that $66 level, you'll be taking profit. If it comes down here again, you peak until we break either of this one, right? Either we break to the downside or we just break above this, areas we've been consolidating now for a while and go to the upside. Okay. So yeah, that trade setup is still valid. You can still re-enter the trade again. If you're in the trade already, you can take profit and then wait to re-enter again if it comes to test this level down here. All right. So that's what I'll be looking at for the XRP, the Litecoin trade. Okay. Yeah. So the next one will be XRP. So let's look at XRP and see what's going on with that particular token. All right. Okay, so yeah, we are currently using this is on the 15 minutes time frame. This our resistance, okay, has become this our support level now is now a resistance, okay. So we broke that level down there, all right, and that was a winning trade for us. So yeah, currently we are now below that 200-day moving average. So yeah, for me, I'm going to be looking for a sell, all right. I'm going to be looking for a sell trade for this particular token. All right. And then areas where I'll be targeting will be this area down here. Okay. Yeah. Area down there. So if you are going to sell right now, okay, if you are going to sell right now, you should be taking profit if this gets down here. But before this week, okay, equally pay attention to this area here at 50 cents. Okay. That is 0.508. Okay. That is area you should be looking at first before we even get down there. All right. Remember that we had this impulsive move and then had a rejection, a massive rejection from here to the upside. So areas we'll be looking at will be to pick trades from here to the upside. All right. So if you want to sell and then take profit here from here, you can be looking at 50 cents. Okay, we'll be looking at taking a trade to the upside. At 50 cents, we'll be looking at taking trades to the upside. All right. So for SRP, that is exactly what I'll be looking at. All right. That's exactly what I'll be looking at for. To be picking trades from this level to the upside. You equally have another level, okay, of interest down here, right? Okay. So equally pay attention to that and then to the wick itself, right? To the wick itself. So this wick down here is equally an area you need to pay attention to, guys. All right. Yeah. So this wick down here is equally an area you need to pay attention to. So if I bring my horizontal line and then put it there, yeah, that is equally a good area you need to be paying attention to in this particular SRP trade. All right. So in case it goes either way, you'll be managing your trade accordingly. So XLM USDT, let's look at that and see. The setup we had here is still very valid, guys. So we're not gotten down there, but those levels I looked at, those setups are still very valid. So we'll wait patiently until this plays out, guys. All right. So wait patiently until this plays out. We can, be looking if there are new setup on the lower time frame. I'm still hopeful, though we have a hold up here. Okay. We have a hold up at that 12-cent level, but I still want to see this come down to that 11-cent. Okay. I still want to see it come down to that 11-cent. Except we have, a sudden reversal from here to the upside, then, every other thing can be invalid. All right. If we have a sudden reversal to the upside, then every other thing can be invalid. But we can equally use our Fibonacci retracement to help us make decisions here. Okay, so we are at that 50% level. Yeah, we are at that 50% level, but I still want to see this come down to either the 618 level, or you can even be looking at the 786 level, which is slightly below this level that we are looking at. Okay. So yeah, we can readjust this thing. So instead of using these levels that are mapped out here, let's use the Fibonacci retracement tool. Okay, let's use the Fibonacci retracement tool. So you have two entry levels here. All right. So the first level here will be, the 618 level in case we get there. All right. The 618 level will be, your level. That is, if we reject from that area up, it will be a good area to enter the trade. The next level will be the 786 level. And then the last level for a long trade for this particular token will be at the support right here. All right. It will be at the support right there. So whichever of these that plays that, guys, whichever of these that plays that, go ahead and take a trade accordingly. That's exactly what I'll be looking at. All right. So anything around this area, down, up from down here, okay, I'll be looking to take a trade to the upside. So those are the areas I'm looking at. All right. It may not necessarily reject from here and come back to this resistance level at 13 cents or thereabout, but it will definitely react to the 618 level. And then before it to actually break it down, all right, it will react there. So you want to take advantage of that. It will equally react. That is, if this token has to come down to the support level, yeah, right here. Okay, it will equally react at the resistance, the 786 level. Okay, it will react there before we get back down to that support. So if you want to trade this, Franklin, since this is your favorite token, monitor it and play along with it. Okay, monitor this trade and play along with it. So I believe you can see a good scalping opportunity to make you some money and all of that. So these levels are areas of interest: the 618 level, the 786 level, and then the support, which is around that 11 cent level. Okay, so that is what I'll be looking at. All right. So for BLZ, let's look at BLZ USDT and see what is possible with that particular token right now. Yep. So BLZ, where was I looking for a rejection? It was here. Okay. Yeah. We didn't get down there. Okay. So I was looking for this to come reject at this area, and then we'll take a trade to the long side or even down to the support level there, but we didn't get to that area. So I will use my Fibonacci retracement to help guide me on this. So let me take that previous high there. So yeah, we rejected at the 618 level. Okay, we rejected at the 618 level on this. So yeah, if you have used the Fibonacci retracement to, then a good entry would have been somewhere here, which is exactly where we rejected from. And that is actually going on well. Okay. So in case we continue to come down, then the 786 level is another area you should be looking at, which is this area I was looking at to take a trade to the long side. Okay. So I was looking at the 786 level, but unfortunately we rejected from the 618 level. All right. So yeah, let's see how far that can go. Actually, let's see how far that can go. But if we retrace back down to that level, already we are breaking like above the 50% level. So this could be a move to the upside. Okay, so for BLZ, I missed that entry already. I'm not going to do anything right now, except if we have a pullback to down that area. Okay, I'll be looking to take a long trade to the upside. And if anything happens, we come back to the 786 level. This my entry will still be a valid entry to the upside. Okay, so yes, BLZ rejected from the 618 level, and that is great. If you have been following up with the Fibonacci retracement to then, that would have been a good entry for you. All right, yeah, Freeborn, you're welcome. Okay, welcome everyone to the live show. Okay, yeah, welcome everyone to the live show. All right, I'm behind time already, so don't worry. We are still looking at different tokens. Okay, we have not taken any trade yet, but all of these tokens we are looking at. All right, you can actually go look at it and take a trade accordingly. All right. Yeah, welcome everyone to the live show and all of that. So let's look at. Okay, yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking at. I don't know what the comments are all about. Okay, and all of that. So yeah, so that I can be seeing the tokens that others are posting here. Okay, so don't try to post the same thing again and again and again and again and again. All right. Yes, guys. So, smash that like button, all right? Smash that like button. Let's take it off, all right? So this, we keep looking at this, okay, and see how that plays out, all right? But now let's look at MKR. Let's look at MKR. Yeah, it's been a while I looked at that token. What's going on with it right now? Yeah, what's going on with it? Okay, we are still at that 1,100. Okay, we are still above 1,000 level, right? We're still above 1,000 level. We've not gotten down to. Yeah, so initially what I was looking at is if we break above this level, I'll be taking a trade from there to the upside, but that didn't work out. Okay, we are still below that level, so we're looking for new entries for this particular trade right now. So what's possible? What is possible scenarios that we will be looking at right here? Hey guys. All right, so if we take our FIB retracement tool from the daily time frame, let's see what's okay. So this week here came to that 786 level. That's what we rejected. Currently, we're at the 50% level. So let's look at the 4 hours. And so guys, I'm slightly below this level. This was the area of interest I was looking at. Anything above this level would have been a good area to take a trade to the upside. But right now we are just below. We are just below. So what should I do now? If I take this from up down, guys, be looking at this area, okay? This area here, let's pay attention to this area. This is going to be our support level for now. Okay, aside the week, let's pay attention and make that our support. Okay, so that's going to be our support level for now. This is the area where we're looking at picking a trade either to the upside or to the downside. So pay attention to this area, guys. So if we go to like the 1 hour time frame, yeah, 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame. Wait for this to return back to this level. Okay. Yeah, wait for this to have a rejection and return back to this level. So your entry for long should be at this level, guys. So I'll be taking a trade. Then you can target here as your first take profit level and then take it as high as you want. Okay. Take it as high as you want. If this token eventually break above this level and go back up, you can take it, to as high as that area of $1,200. Okay, or $1,300 and all of that. So for now, I'll be looking to pick a long trade if this trade, token comes and reject here again. That's what I will be looking for. All right. That is exactly what I personally will be looking for. Even on the lower time frame, I should be looking at that coming down to that level. Then I'll pick a trade from there to the upside. Okay. So Franklin, for MKR, I will pick a trade down here and then take a trade to the upside. That's exactly what I'll be looking at. Okay. So wait for this to go. All right. Wait for this to go up there, reject, come back down here. You pick a trade from there to the upside. Okay. Yeah. MNT. 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 Has it been listed for futures trading? Let's see. Yeah. Is it on the futures market right now? Okay. If you are going to trade on the Mantle token on Mexi, I think it's listed on futures. Okay. For futures trading on Mexi. Oh, it's even on Bybit. No, not MNT, right? Yeah. It's currently on the spot market, guys. It's currently on the spot market. I think it's on the futures, yes. When you go to Mexi Exchange, you can trade this on the futures market, okay? But why I don't like looking at this is because of this chart here, right? Look at the way the chart is and all of that. I don't understand this, but I can go ahead and pick the spot trading pair. All right, let me just pick the spot trading pair and let's see. Yeah, so this Mantle actually replaced the BIT token on the Bybit exchange, right? Yes. So Mantle replaced the BIT token on the Bybit exchange, and then when it was listed, a lot of selling. Those who got it for free were selling and selling and selling. Okay, yeah. When I was actually talking about this, I told you that once it is listed, you sell, and then when it start dumping, you do what? You buy. So a time to buy now. I think this token was listed, and then it went to as high as 60 cents. Okay, so those of you who got 200, who got 400, who got this token for free, it was a lot of money for you then. So you would have sold then. Right now is the time you start accumulating. Okay, so we are at that stage where you will start accumulating this token right now. So if you want to buy MNT, it is you can go ahead and read about the Mantle project and all of that. Okay, so it's a combination of Bybit, BitDAO, all of them. Okay, and then the Mantle platform itself coming together and all of that. So the MNT is serving as the governance token and all of that. So it's currently serving as equally the native token for Bybit Exchange and the rest. Okay, so I see this token getting to $1, maybe $2, $3, or even up to $10. So if you want to start acquiring this token right now, the time to start buying right now is now. Okay, the time to start buying, you can start buying right now. If you have decided to put $100 in this, maybe you buy like $30 worth of this. If it goes down more, you buy more. If it goes back up a little, you buy and all of that. You can do your DCA on this token, right? Okay. Franklin, if you want to buy this token, I think I have some of this token already. I have them already. I bought at, was it 56 cents or thereabouts? I'm still holding on to that token. Maybe when I get like 100% return, when it gets to $1 or $2 or $3, in the next bull run, I believe the token will do well. All right. So you can go read more about the Mantle project and all of that. Okay. And then about their token and see if it is something you can, you know, uh, you can go ahead and buy. All right. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. So let's look at people USDT. Okay. Let's look at people USDT. Hey guys, so if you want to buy Mantle, go ahead. Okay, it's a good token. It's a token that will give you, though not immediately, but in the long run. Okay, that token should give you some good returns. All right. So people, I think it's at the bottom right now. Yes, the lowest of it all. What's people all about, all right? Is at the lowest of it all, guys. It is at that accumulation stage, okay? So even RSI on the weekly time frame is, going to that overbought level. So before I make any decision on this, let me see the turnover for people. Turnover is just $1 million, okay? $1 million. I don't know what the project is all about, okay? But if you want to start buying this, the lowest of it all, okay? We are at the lowest of it all. I don't know if it will continue to dump, but right now, if you want to risk it, guys, okay, is it Poshak? Poshak or Aurora? All right. So if you want to buy this, you can go ahead. I don't feel like, I don't have any trade setup for this because I don't know if this will continue to go down with, turnover of $1 million in the past 24 hours. It means that, people are still picking interest in this. So you can still be looking for a buy trade on this token, okay? You can still be looking to pick a trade, right? At the point where it is currently trading right now, okay, you can still be looking to pick a trade there, right? Yeah, so it went to as low as 0.0084. Right now it's at 0.009 and all of that. So yeah, if you want to pick a trade for this, go ahead and do that, all right? I'll be looking to buy with a very low leverage. Okay, right now I'll be looking to buy with a very low leverage, and then I'll continue to take profit gradually. If we get to 10 cents, take profit. If you get to 11 cents, 12 cents, you take profit and all of that. Okay, but if you believe in this project, I would just advise that you go to the spot market, okay, and buy this for a long term, all right, and buy this, whatever the project is. If you read about it and are actually satisfied with what they are offering, you can go ahead and buy this token right now, okay? It is at that area where you need to start accumulating the token for yourself. All right. Which trade to buy? That's what we are all here, okay? We are all here. So any token we look at, if we say buy, you buy. If we say sell, you sell, okay? All right. So take it easy, all right? Take it easy. We'll look at all the trades, and then anyone will see opportunity to buy, we'll go ahead and buy, guys. All right. So AKRO USDT. So let's look at that right now and see what's going on, guys. Okay, so this setup no longer valid. This one too no longer valid. So let's go to 4 hours and see what's up with this token. Okay, so we broke above all this level. All right, we've broken above all this level, and I was telling us yesterday, right? I think we looked at this yesterday that anything above this level, you should be looking for a buy. So this candle was able to close above that level, and right now we are just consolidating above that level, guys. Even on the on the daily time frame, we are above all our resistance level, guys. All of the resistance level, guys. And then this token is creating a new all-time high, which is around that 13-cent level. Okay, that 13-cent level. So, guys, we wait for a pullback, okay? Let's wait for a pullback and then we take a trade to the upside. All right. So let's wait for a pullback. We take a trade to the upside, and then our pullback will be, let's use the Fibonacci retracement tool on the 1 hour, and then we'll look for a possible area to take a trade to the upside, guys. So possible area to take trade to the upside. We bounce at that 50% level. We rejected at that 618 level. Okay. So yeah, this would have been a good area to take a trade to the upside. But right now, guys, wait for a pullback. Okay, let's wait for a pullback, and then the next area we should be looking at taking a trade to the long side will be this area here at the 786 level. Okay, yeah, so take a long trade if this trade comes back down to this level to the upside. All right, so this is what I'll be looking at for the this particular token right now until we start creating a new high here. Either support. Let's say here will be our resistance level where we rejected at that 13-cent level and all of that, but let's wait for this to come back down to that 618 786 level will be the area where we're looking to take a trade to the upside. Okay, so your entry should be around that 10-cent level and then take profit if it goes back up. Okay, so I want to see this come back to this level and reject from there, and then we'll take a trade to the upside. All right, so the 786 level and then this area, this is our previous resistance, support, or resistance. Okay, let's see if that becomes a support and all of that. So that's exactly what I'll be looking at for this particular token. All right. Yeah, I just looked at people and all of that. Okay. I just looked at people and that's, let's look at Idoko Vincent, let's look at Ruin. Let's look at Ruin USDT. Let's see. Okay, this token has been doing very well. Okay, yeah. For those of you who have been following up, okay, I think actually at a point this token got me stopped at a lot. So yeah, so this resistance here is now becoming a support right now. This is on the 15 minutes time frame. So I see a long trade to the upside for this. Okay. So for this particular trade, guys, yeah, I see a long trade to the upside. Okay. So you can enter a trade here and, target this level there, that previous high. All right. And if you want to take, partial profit there, you can do that and then equally target that area there at $1.87. Okay, $1.87. All right, $1.87. That's what I'm looking at for this. So if I go to higher time frame, all right, I want to get a rejection there, and then we'll take a trade down to the upside, guys. So you see the 4 hour candle rejecting, okay, reacting from there and all of that. That's what I'll be looking at, guys. This is what I'll be looking at. Even if I bring the Fibonacci retracement to, if we take it down there, yeah, the 618 level is where we rejected from. Okay. So, right, but we are above this resistance level, okay? We are above that resistance that has now become a support. So, be looking for a long trade from there, okay? And then put your stop loss slightly below in case this break below this area, okay? Be looking for a long trade from here to the upside, all right? Long trade from here to the upside. That's what I'll be looking at, guys. Long trade from here to the upside. Yeah, so the 382 level is, guys, I'll be looking for a long trade from here, all right? I'll take a quick scarf here, and then if it breaks below this area, we can take our losses, accept our losses there, and, go ahead and set a limit order for that, guys. Enter if this retrace down to that $1.70, and then put your stop loss at 1.67, and then your first take profit should be 1.77, okay? 1.77 should be your first take profit level, guys. For ruin, that's what I'll be looking at, okay? The first take profit will be at 1.77, and then you can target higher than that if you want to, all right? So yeah, that's what I'll be looking at for ruin, all right? That's what I'll be looking at for ruin and all of that. I've looked at people. This guy be sending your comment once, okay? I will look at all of them. For now, I don't have that much comment that you say I'll skip some. All right, so yeah, let's look at, I think this last token will be the, okay, after this one, I look at Matic, then we can call it a day until later today, okay? So let's look at this particular token right here and USDT. Okay, guys, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, this one did level consolidated therefore. Okay, guys. So for this trade, I'll be looking at, let's go to higher time frame and look at our resistance level where we can have a possible rejection. Okay, so this area here, this is no longer valid. So yeah, guys. So let's use our here as our resistance for now. And can I do daily? Okay, yes. So that area is still going to be our resistance, guys. That area is still going to be our resistance. So we'll wait for a rejection around this area, okay? We'll wait for a rejection around that area, and then we'll take a trade to the downside, guys. Okay, we already missed this move. So let's see if that this area will be able to hold it down because we rejected here severally. Okay, let's see if this area will be able to hold this move down. And we can be taking a short trade here, guys. Pay attention to this. If this gets up here to this level, yeah. If it gets up there to that level, then you can target the 200-day moving average as your take profit level. So this is what I'll be looking at for this particular trade. Okay. This is what I'll be looking at for this particular trade, guys. Yeah, look at it. Okay, it's still pumping, pumping, pumping. So let's see how that plays out, guys. Yeah, let's see how this plays out. Okay, let's see that it gets down, it gets up to that level. Then we can be taking a trade from there down. All right. We may reject here, but I'm still looking at that upside. Okay, let's look at that. Yes, let's see if we break above this level. If you want to enter a quick scalp here, you can do that, guys. All right, but I'm looking at that $4.5 level. Yeah, $4.5 level. That is for those of you who are smart. If you wanted to take a quick scalp there, it would have, But yeah, let's look at that $4.5 level and see how this will play out, guys. So this trade, I'm going to take. Let me set a limit order there quickly, and take like a quick 10%. Okay, a quick 10% to the downside, guys. 4.5535. So let's see if that will play out and get to that level. So for take profit, I will set it to 10%. Hey, we are having that pullback already, guys. So 20% will give me 4 point, that is for a short, 20% will give me 4.46. Okay, if we get down to 4.46, let's do 10%. 10% moved in our favor will give us around 4.50. Okay, so we enter 4.55 and then we'll target 4.50. Okay, and then if it continues to go down, we continue to, just a quick scalp. Okay, I'm doing a quick scalp because we are going against the trend. And remember, this is on the resistance level. So we want to see a rejection at that area. And be mindful that we can have a push to even up to 4.7 and all of that. Okay, so guys, yeah. Let's see how that plays out. Okay, let's see how that. If we don't have reject from here, that area will be a good area to enter a short trade for this particular token. All right, guys. So yeah, the last token I'll be looking at for today will be Matic. Okay, Matic USDT. Let's look at Matic USDT and see what's up with that trade. So let me go to higher time frame, and Matic is down there. Okay, so Matic. Yeah, RSI overbought. Okay, RSI on the daily time frame overbought below 20. Okay, I think it's around 20 something, yeah, 22 or 24 or thereabouts. So Matic, guys. Okay, so yeah, very bearish right now. Okay, so for Matic, let's pay attention to this area too. Let me do a resistance here, a support level here. Okay, so this will serve as our support for now. Then we can go, let me go lower and see areas we can be looking at right here. So another area of interest for Matic will be somewhere around here. So let's see if Matic will reject from here. Okay. Yeah, let's see if Matic will reject from here, and equally this area too. All right. So this area too will be another area of interest. All right. So right now on this, okay, guys, for Arura, right? Or Arura, whatever the pronunciation is. Okay, so for Matic, I want to get a rejection down from here. Okay, so if I go to lower time frame, what I'll be looking at is a rejection at this level. All right, this level of 53 cent. Okay, 53 cent will be the area I'll be looking to take a trade to the long side. All right, then if you break below that level, then the next level you should be looking at will be somewhere at 44. All right, and it goes down that way. So 53, let's see, Matic will hold this area of the 53 cent. If it does, then we can take a trade. Okay, we can take a trade to the upside. All right, so just pay attention to mathematics is a bit bearish right now, so I'm not going to do anything until we get that. Okay, so the last token for today will be OPUSDT. I closed my trade for OP yesterday, and yes, okay, this actually went up to 157, guys. Look at that. OP went up to 157. That would have been massive for me, but I closed it before we got to that level. All right, I closed it before we got to that level. So yeah, OP currently, let's pay attention to this level here. Okay, at that area, that area. So another level we need to pay attention to is up there as well. All right, so we reject from this area. Let's see if we hold that area. So what I can be doing right now for the OP trade is to trade this token. If it comes back down here, all right, let's see that we use here as a resistance, as a support now. We'll be looking for a long trade at that 1.53 level. Okay, 1.53 level, we'll look for a long trade from there to the upside. If we hold that level up there, we're going to be looking, okay, that is if we hold this level here, if it becomes our support, we'll be looking for a long trade to the upside. Okay, yeah, right now don't do anything on OP until we get down to that level. From here, if we come down here and reject from there, okay, let's say we gradually come down here. If we reject from here, then you can be taking a trade to the upside. So yeah, I'll be looking at taking a long trade to the upside from here, guys, and then target that previous high there. Then if we break that level, you should be looking at taking a trade to the upside from there. Okay, so this is what I'll be looking at for OP. Let's look at all the tokens that I've mentioned, okay, that we looked at, we have analyzed this morning, okay, and see what happens during the day. All right, we'll go live again later this afternoon and let's see how this plays out. All right. And before we leave, guys, smash that like button, okay? Quickly, the next trading competition that will be coming up, Bybase trading competition comes to an end this weekend, okay? And then for those of you who have done a lot of volumes, kudos to you. We know, we see how that works out. But the next competition, okay, is for the gate.io trade, and registration is currently ongoing. So you have 2 days for early birds. You can get up to $50, okay, when you register when you join. And then I've told you guys from 31st of this month, I will be joining them on their channel to be doing giveaway. So there are 21 iPhone 15 Pro Max that will be giving out. There are 50 iPads, okay, that will be giving out. And then there are over 100 AirPods, okay, that will probably be giving out, and other gifts, all right, and other gifts. So to be able to qualify for these airdrops, okay, to be able to qualify for these giveaways, all you just need to do, if you don't have a gate.io account already, guys, go to the description of this video, all right? Go down to the description of this video, click on show more. When you come down to my top 10 exchanges, okay, you see gate.io exchange here. So click on this link to go sign up for an account, and then you can come in here to this page and join, okay? Once you click on team register, okay, just click on team registration, okay? After clicking on team registration, you can scroll down here and join my team. All right, so these are the giveaways of what we'll be doing on their live YouTube channel and all of that. So starting from 31st, that will be 1 p.m. Nigerian time, okay? It will be 1 p.m. Nigerian time every day. So I'll be joining them live to do those giveaways and all of that. So I want you guys to be part of that. There are a lot of iPhones, iPads, and all of that I'll be doing. So once you qualify for registration now, you qualify to draw this, just draw this and you can get any of these gifts, okay? Then you can go ahead and join my team here on the team channel, okay? I've already created a team. So you can come in here and search for team, okay? Just search for team digital here. All right, yeah, that's my team. I'm going to share this on the Telegram, okay? That's my team. Okay, so you can just click on join, okay, to join the team. Just click on join. Once you register, just click on join to join the team. You need just a minimum of 100 USDT in your futures account to be able to qualify for this. So we're doing the live trading together and all of that, okay? Guys, there are a lot of goods, okay? A lot of gifts here, iPhones, iPads, all of these gifts are there for you to go home with. All right, take advantage of that. Join my team and let's do this. Okay, let's do this together. Just transfer like 100 USDT into your gate.io account and let's do this together. Okay, so there's $5 million that has been set aside that you can share from, guys. Okay, so take advantage of this, guys. I need you to be here with me. Okay, every day I'll be joining them. Whenever I want to go live for the giveaways, I'll let you know so that you come join us. Okay, if you qualify for this, you can actually take whatever you qualify for. All right? Once you win iPhone and the rest, there are a lot of goodies actually, a lot of gifts that are here that you can qualify for. So guys, go to the description of this video, sign up for a Gate.io account using my link. Okay, the number 9 exchange here is my link. So sign up for an account, all right? And then come down here to register and join my team, guys. Okay, so Team Digital is my team. Go ahead and join my team and let's do this together, all right? Let's do this together. So this will be coming to an end on the 27th of September. Yeah, that's when this will come to an end. So take advantage of this right now. Join my team. I'll quickly share this on the Telegram and let's see how we can do this together, guys. Okay. So thank you so much for being here with me. Monitor the trade, BLZ, OP, okay, XRP, monitor all the trades, okay, and take your trades accordingly. Don't rush into any trade. Always wait for your setup, wait for your confirmations, and once those work out, one good trade that will give you, a good percentage is better than just rushing into a trade that will empty your account. All right. So thank you for being here with me, guys. I'll see you later today in the afternoon. Bye-bye.